Hello everyone, welcome to our channel IAS Next. So today our topic is how to read newspaper The Hindu for UPSC Civil Services examination. How to read Hindu effectively within 60 minutes. Front page. Just skim through the headlines, do not waste too much time here. Page 2 to 6. Pages 2 to 3 of The Hindu usually carry regional news varying from city to city. Pages 4 to 6. On the other hand, often deals with news from different states. You may consider skipping these pages outright because they are not held in high esteem from the UPSC Civil Services exam point of view. Page 7. Very important, this is the page that deals particularly with the nation on the whole, so give a thorough read. Focus primarily on High Court and Supreme Court verdicts, government orders, bills and parliamentary debates. Page 8. The editorial section. This is perhaps the most important section of The Hindu, especially from the perspective of the UPSC Civil Services examination. Carefully read the two editorials provided on the left margin. As soon as you are done with the editorial, move over to the lead section and then finish the page by reading the letters to the editor section to close things up. Note, always read the editorial section from an unbiased point of view to grasp the true meaning and the possible solutions to the underlying issue. Page 9. This is the page where you will see the opposite the editorial page. This is where the Hindu publishes the opinions of the named author who is not affiliated with the editorial board in any way whatsoever. Give this section a good read to gain different viewpoints on current issues. Journal News section, page 10 and 11. Pages 10 and 11 usually deals with news in general. Give this section a superficial read just like the way you did page 1. There is no need for you to go deep into the political issues because they aren't valued heavily in the UPSC Civil Services examination. Page 12. World News. This page can contribute heavily to the international relations topic, an integral part of the UPSC Civil Services syllabus. So spend a fair amount of time here only if you find any major happenings on this page. Pages 13 to 14. Business. Focus primarily on growth parameters, trends and issues connected with monetary and fiscal policies. In case you find any socio-economic policies related to women on this page, read in depth. Sports and life pages. Ignore. These are unimportant from the UPSC point of view. To sum up, we will discuss some do's and don'ts. Do's. Focus primarily on the editorial and the op-ed page. Give High Court and Supreme Court verdicts a thorough read. Read issues of international and national importance. Focus on parliamentary debates. Stress more on government policies, bills and orders. Note, hot topics must not be ignored at any possible cost. Example, demonetization, GST and other recent topics like corona, lockdown, etc. Don't. Focus on the local and political news. Spend much time on masala news such as wardrobe malfunctions, film reviews, celebrity news and interviews, etc. Stress on trivial sports awards and title news. With that, we will bring this article to a close for now. Hope you had a good and enlightening read. Wish you best of luck for your examination. Thank you.